Hey guys, Owen Call here. Today we're starting a new show, Sons of Anarchy. I know nothing about this show at all other than it's called Sons of Anarchy. That's literally all I know. So I'm excited to check it out. So I'm just going to get started now. Okay, so I'm filming this after I've watched the episode. Unfortunately, like the 40-minute mark, my laptop restarted and I went back on and the reaction to the first 5 minutes, the file got corrupted and stuff, so I just can't use that. So I've only got the reaction to the last 10 minutes, which is not the worst thing in the world. And I think for that the most eventful stuff happened in the last 10 minutes. I did miss the reaction. It's happened shortly after. Forgetting his name. Is it Sam Crow? Ron Perlman's character. I think he's called Sam Crow. After he shot the guy, it literally like 10 seconds after that, my laptop just restarted. So yeah, here's the reaction to the last 10 minutes. Jesus. He just shot my laptop just restarted. So I don't arrested. He just killed that guy. I hope this kid makes it. Is he gonna do it? No, he's gonna do it. Oh, he's running bulletproof vest. He's running bulletproof vest. I remember. God.
Got the vest. Finish it.
No, yeah, I wouldn't have any problem shooting him because he just shot me in the back. So.
It's finished.
Oh, Mary, mother of Christ! I'll leave you bad boys for 2 minutes and it'll all turn to shit.
All good. Let's get out of here. Clay, look at this.
Right. I mean, Jackson killed anyone there, so maybe he's never killed anyone before.
White boy must have sucked lots of brown dick. Let's grew up in the mines. Gives numbers access to guns.
A common enemy. Us.
Darby once charming.
I recognise the one from something. I don't know what.
Looks like the boy might actually see his first birthday.
He made it. Oh, April, thank God.
Oh, she's gonna get mad at him now. Though I can feel it. What's she gonna do?
We should say a word. Okay?
Is she gonna hit her? What's she gonna do?
Dear God, thank you for saving this boy from his murderous child, who cared more about a $40 rush than she did her own flesh and blood.
Don't you dare.
Don't I dare? I suggest you turn to Jesus.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Surely she's not gonna.
Looks good.
At least they. Yeah, they definitely will. think he was going to do all this as well. All those bruises. She did it. Aww. Oh. Okay, yeah, I just watched the pilot episode of Sons of Anarchy and that was really good. Really enjoyed that. I did lose a bit of direction, unfortunately, but what can you do? For the bit that I missed, I wasn't talking much. I was mostly just watching the show, just because. I was just enjoying the show. That was really good. I really enjoyed that. It's got Charlie Hunman in it as Jax. I've seen him in a few things. It's got Ron Perlman, and Jax's mum. I recognise the actress from something. I can't think what, but I recognise her from something. And I know Ryan Hurst. He was Bait in The Walking Dead. He's OP in this. So yeah, they got some good actors, and I like the characters so far. I've only had one episode, but I'm liking Jax. It sort of seems I could be totally off the mark. I had the vibe that his mum and I don't want to keep calling him Sam Crow in case that's not his name. That's someone else. That Jax's mum and Ron Perlman were sort of. I feel like they could end up working against Jax in a way, because Jax doesn't seem to want to do the whole gun running. You know, he wants to build something better for the club, which just seems to be what his dad wanted to do. And I think that's going to be really interesting. And I enjoyed that first episode, and I'm excited to check out more. So if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.